Assalam alaikum friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are talking about fetch all videos, and this package is created by me. So yes, a couple of days ago I was trying to search any kind of package which return all the videos which exist in our mobile directories, but I was unable to find, and so I thought that there should be any package which return all the videos path if there any video exists in any kind of directory, so it should return all the directories where videos exist. So I created this function, and let's come to understand how it works. So there is a note. This package will check directory one by one and return the list of all videos path. Be patient, it will take some time because it will check all folders. Okay, so let's implement it. So number first, we will copy this package, and we will add in the pubspec.yml as you know, and we are pubgetting. Uh, and the second thing is some permissions which we will add in the manifest file. So there is a manifest file, and there should be paste. And the number third is import the library. Okay, so I will copy, and it's not copying. Okay, so import this. And other thing is there is a object and any kind of function. So let's make any function void get videos, and it will async. Yes, and so there is the class and there is the object, and this object will fetch get all videos function, and it will return the videos list. Okay, so now I am calling this function into init state. So you can call this function in any button and any kind of function, so as you want. Okay, so I am now restarting the project. Okay, so let's see what's going. Okay, so this is restarting, so I am pausing video recording. Okay guys, it's restarting, and as you are seeing, this is the fetching. Okay, storage emulated and Snapchat, and these are the kind of Snapchat videos and short videos and some of other Aladdin video. So it will fetch all the videos from our directories. So you can use it in any kind of video player app. So this is the fetch all videos works amazing. It's really cool. I really like it. So there is no any other package of Flutter which is like this, and this is really cool. Inshallah, we will meet in next video. Thank you so much. Allah Hafiz.